Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pascal Aura Inaya Rizdiansa, number 18, from class 3J. Today, I will explain in detail my audit work related to inventory, the client of PT Wahana Eka Setia. The account I am responsible for inventory or merchandise inventory in the form of mensus. According to audit theory, inventory audit involves several substantive procedures. The module provides 5 main groups of procedures. Number 1 is accuracy or record. Must reconcile inventory record in the balance sheet, ledger, and supporting inventory data. Number 2, right and existence. Must attend the stock talking about the physical counting process and asset return the inventory amount calculate is reasonable on the balance sheet data. Number 3 is complaints. Must trace the supporting document for inventory transaction such as purchase order, invoice, and proof of the receipt of goods. Number 4 is validation and allocation. Assess the physical quality of inventory and conduct price testing and according with the company policy. And the last is presentation as disclosure. Comparing the presentation of inventory with IFRS standard. Next, I will explain the inventory information in the module. The module explains the PT Wahana Eka Setia has inventory in the form of mensus with the various types and size. The inventory is stored in a warehouse and each type of shoes has an inventory card to control its quality. In the end of each year, the company conduct a stock take of all inventory. For 2022, the physical inventory was recorded on December 13, 20 and 22. The total physical inventory was 2,084 pair of shoes according to the stock take list. From the financial statement, the inventory balance of December 31, 20 and 22 was 320,257,000, down from 472,728,155 in the previous year. In this inventory audit, I use several types of audit evidence. Number 1 is stock of name list, contains the result of the physical inventory count conducted by warehouse staff on December 13, 20 and 22. Number 2 is notes of observation of inventory talking index C1. Report on the result of observation regarding the physical counting process, include notes on the condition of goods and cut-offs. Number 3 is inventory card, internal company document containing the quality of inventory per shoe types used to compare record with the physical inventory. Number 4 is supporting document for pricing, purchase invoice, and proof or receipt of goods for November until December 2022. Company inventory validation policy, the company consistency used with the FIFO. The audit procedure is carried out. First, I start by reconcile the book balance. I ensure that the inventory balance on the balance sheet, ledger, and inventory card were consistent. From this check, the company book balance was 320,257,000. And the next, I attended the stock take on December 13, 2022, ensuring that the no transaction were taking place and observe the physical counting process. The total inventory count was 2084 pair of shoes. Next, I analysis the physical discrepancy by comparing the physical count and the inventory card record. According to the module are described are consist items that must be adjusted. Then I conduct a price test which involve matching the price of the good with the purchase inventory, purchase order, and proof of receipt. Since the company used the FIFO method. After that, I calculate the balance test and for a net adjustment 1,110,500. This adjustment was a negative difference, so I had to reduce the inventory value. And finally, I determined the audit balance, and to complete, I complete all the audit result into working paper index C. Okay, first I will explain the result of work on the inventory working paper section. In this working paper, I start by looking at the book balance value for the inventory account with 320,257,000 and the last year balance 472,213,175, which is used a comparison for trend analysis from the previous year. Next, I will explain the stock of name list document of December 31, 2022. This document contains the result of the physical counts of main shoes in the company warehouse. The table contains a book stock column with the number of items according to the accounting record. Then there is stock column, which is the result of the physical count conduct in the warehouse. Most of the number match, but there are some discards. One example of discretion is the item conduct A041, where the company record show 112 pair, but the physical count show only 110 pair, resulting in the discrepancy of 2 pairs. This type of discrepancy indicates that there are items that are missing or cannot be found during the stock auction. Each discrepancy is then multiplied by test price per unit list in the table, and after all items are added, the total discrepancy value is 1,110,500. I then use this value as the basis for the adjusting and the correction journal in the merchandise inventory working paper. The total physical inventory count was 2,091 pairs, and the inventory value after being audited was the 319,146,500. Then the different balance is the added in the net adjusting, and the test balance in the enter in the audit balance. For the adjusting journal, based on the result of the stock take, a negative difference 1,110,500 was found because the physical amount was less than the book record. The difference is considered an inventory loss, so I made a journal is the debit other expense 1,110,500 and the credit is merchandise inventory 1,110,500. Finally, I will explain the inventory observation report. This report contains a summary of the physical observation activities that occur at the location during the stock take on December 31, 20 and 22. This report explained that during the stock take process, the company did not make any purchase or sales transaction. This is important so that the amount of inventory does not change during the calculation process, ensuring that the calculated results are accurate. This report also states that the adjusted inventory value 472,728,175, which is the total value of all categories of goods after the stock take was conducted. In addition, the company used the FIFO inventory value method. I conduct a price test by matching the price on the inventory list with purchase documents such as purchase order, invoice, and the delivery notes. The test results show that the price used the company are the accordant with the document and the variable. At the end of the report, there is a signature from the senior auditor as proof that my work has been received and approved. Let's conclude my explanation regarding the entry audit process for inventory account, starting from the merchandise inventory check, stock opening analysis, preparing of the inventory observation report, and the determination of adjusting journal and audit balance. I have carried out all procedure in accordance with the module and document them in the working paper that I have completed. Thank you for your time. I'm ready to receive your guidance and correction. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.